guys, come here, come here, come here, come here. By the way, it's chapter 2, guys. Guys, come here. I found a little house to live in. Fine, we'll be there. So cool, and the CB's like right there. Chapter 2. We can do chapter 2. Okay. This is like every time I get chapters. Cool. And this is only chapter 1, guys. We're gonna enjoy it. What the heck is that? Gonna get you. Go get out of there. Okay, everyone else is coming. Hey, come back. Come. Ooh, it's so nice and comfy. Yeah, dude, it's so nice and comfy. Just sit back here. Well, I don't care, I'm coming. No, Dad, wait for me. Oh, God, it's so nice. Get rid of that freaking sign, okay?